Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope that you all are doing great. Welcome back to my new channel and I have named it Passive Income Stream. And today in this video, I'm going to review a new miner, a new smart contract platform named Milkfarm Miner, which gives up to 15% daily BNB rewards, and it has just launched about 6 days back. In this video, I'll be going to first tell you some information about this project. After that, I'll take you to the smart contract platform itself, and then I'll review the complete platform. And in the final part of the video, I will be giving you a detailed step-by-step guide that you need to follow. If you watch this video till the end, I have something special about this platform that makes it different from the rest of them. That's going to be a bonus tip for those who follow all my steps till the end of this video. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. Before I begin, I must tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. If you wish to seek any financial advice, please do your own due diligence as well. With that being said, let's start. So this platform, Milkfarm Miner, it's basically based on Binance Smart Chain, and the token that is used is BNB. Its TVL, which indicates the trust volume level of the customers, is currently plus 34%, which is insane. And the returns it gives, the daily returns, is more than, or you can say slightly above or less than 15%. It may vary depending upon the rate of BNB that is going on in the exchanges. The fees for like having some transactions done when you want to commit the BNB or when you want to withdraw your amount, it's gonna be 1%, which is unbelievable. If the returns are 15%, most of these platform like they go for a 5% fee, but this one goes for a 1% fee, which makes it quite different from the rest of them. Talking about the days, it has been online for more than about 6 days now, and it has been giving a sustainable good outputs. That's why I have included into my list of smart contract platforms. Now this was some information about the platform itself. Now I will take you to the website of this platform and I'll show you how it looks like and how its interface is. So here you can see the interface or the website of this milk miner. So it basically in websites that mine, they basically have miners, so there they call them miners, and now here in this website we call them milkers. So total of 127 BNBs have been contracted in this platform. By contract, it means that people have deposited around 127 BNB into this smart contract platform. And currently I have not started this, but I have plans and I'll be doing it very soon, and I'll share with you the updates as well. Talking about the amount of balance you have in BNB in your wallet is gonna show here. If you don't know what the wallet is or how you can create a wallet, just wait for the later part of the video. Depending upon the BNB that you submit, you will have the required milkers or the milkers that correspond to your wallet balance, and the rewards that you are going to get after 24 hours will be shown here. So it says here in this bar, enter BNB amount, so you can enter any amount of BNB that you have in your wallet, but make sure that the amount that you have put in a slightly less than that inside this, because you are gonna need some BNB for transaction purposes. For example, if you have 1 BNB, then enter 0.9 BNB, so that 0.1 BNB that is left in your wallet, it can be used for the transactions. Once you enter your BNB amount here, then just click on this hire milkers and it will be hired. Down here are some milk nutrition facts or some facts about this platform. The daily returns it has is up to 15%. APR, or the annual percentage returns, is 5,475%. The developer fee or the cost of the fee for transactions is going to be 1%, and at the end is a 10% extra of the referrals. So if you are someone who is into the referral system, you are going to get 10% for that. If you look towards the right side, you see this little baby who is having a nutrition fact about the milk farm that we are owning. You can have a look at them, but that does not matter a lot. What matters is this things about the daily return, the APR, and the developer fee that I have already explained. Now, if you don't know how to join this platform, I have a detailed guide for you. If you click the link in the description of this video, it will take you to a screen like this. Here you can see that Milkfarm Miner, a step-by-step guide, earn 15% daily BNB. So here I have jotted down all the steps from step 1, from downloading MetaMask Chrome extension, then to create a free MetaMask wallet, then to add Binance Smart Chain network into the wallet, then deposit BNB from Binance or any exchange, then paste this link into the browser of this Milk Miner, then how to connect your wallet, and finally entering your BNB amount that you want to mine, and with your BNB hire the milkers that will milk you BNB daily 15%. Now with that, congratulations, enjoy up to 15% daily. This is a step-by-step process that you can follow. Eventually, after the end of the 7th step, you are gonna be milking 15% daily BNB. Now here is a bonus tip for you guys. If you can see that in smart contract platforms, we have the option of compounding. Compounding in terms of, you can see this Goldgrinder V2 or this Popcorn BUSD miner that I have previously shared in my videos. Here you can see this compound count. Now I have compounded 9 times, which means each day my profit gets included into my initial deposit and I get profits, or you can say I get rewards on that. But we don't need to do in the case of Milkfarm Miner. Every day we are going to withdraw our balance, our profits that we make, and the next cycle we are going to do it with the initial amount that we deposited. So each and every day what we are doing is that we are basically reducing our risks, we are minimizing our risks. So if the platform goes for a rug pull, then we have some profits in our wallets already. And that is the reason I prefer smart contract platforms, that everything is inside your wallets and you see everything by yourselves. If I talk about this Goldgrinder version 2 that we have joined previously, you can see here that I deposited 1500 BUSD and currently I have 2700 BUSD that today I have deposited for another cycle. I have not withdrawn anything and tomorrow I'll be withdrawing it. But for you guys, because you want to minimize your risks, every day you don't need to compound. Every day just sell the gold that you see here. Once this time 20 hours 59 minutes gets completed, then sell this gold so that you get your profits into your wallets. And then what you need to do is to go for another cycle with this initial 1500 BUSD. Similar is the case with BNB miner. And if you don't know how to join Goldgrinder V2 or Popcorn BUSD miner, you can go here to this website that I'll place the link in the description and go to smart contract platforms. In the smart contract platforms, there are basically 4 platforms that I have shared. Milkfarm Miner, which gives 15%, I have shared with you right now. Solar Farm Miner, which gives 14%. Goldgrinder, it gives 10%, and Popcorn BUSD Miner, it gives 16%. So you can have a look. All of them have been written down with step-by-step processes. If you want to join any of these, make sure to have a look at them. Now with that, I come to the end of today's video. If you guys have liked this video, please subscribe to the channel. It is my new channel, the old one has been removed by YouTube. I don't know what the reason was, but I have created a new channel for you guys. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel. Also, if you like this video, please comment in the comment section so that YouTube knows that there is some legit content, and it keeps me going. Okay. Also, like this video if you like it, and if you have any questions, please write down in the comment section. Also, I'll place the link of my Telegram chat or my Telegram community channel in the description of this video. Make sure to be the part of my family as well. I love to have you on board. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.